Good afternoon, Plex server owners, fellow Plexers. I've recently put out a video showing moving a Plex package install from my older Synology DS1019 NAS to a Docker container. And one of the benefits of running Plex in a Docker container on a Synology NAS is that no update to the OS will affect the Plex server. So if I go into Package Center, you'll see my old Plex package is marked that a repair is required. And I had other things like Python and different packages installed, and with every repair attempt, they'd all fail, and I just uninstalled all of them. And you'll see this Node.js version 12 that some package needed in the past isn't compatible anymore. So I'm not really concerned with this Plex install because I moved it to a Docker container. So this video will be the first time that I open the server up. And if we go to the Plex web app, you'll see my current server. And the last thing that I had opened up was, I believe this is the package install. I think I've named the Docker container something different. So let's start up the Plex Docker container for the first time. So I open Container Manager, and normally I do this in Portainer, which you'll see is running, but we'll just use Container Manager. So these containers are running, Plex is not. So I'll click into it and I'll simply hit Start. So the Plex container is running. We'll bring my web app over and I'll refresh it. And the server is back up. It looks like that was the name of the package install moved to a Docker container. So if we go down to libraries, and let's pick a smaller library. Let's pick my movie documentary library. And just click into something maybe less controversial than that one. Let's just quickly press play. And you'll see that the video started up. So the biggest benefit to Docker containers with a Synology NAS is that your Plex install is not affected by any OS update. And it's much easier to move Plex to a container than it is to fix any issues. And part of the issue with the upgrade with Plex specifically is, and this was an early mistake of mine, the package install creates a Plex folder. And in that Plex folder is a library folder where all your application files are for the package install. Well, I use that same Plex folder to throw a media folder into. And that's not really how you should do it, but that's what I did. So to migrate this old package install to a compatible version with DSM7, it will create a new folder called Plex Media Server. And you've just got to jump through a bunch of hoops to get Plex to run after the DSM7 update. And there's no hoops to jump through by moving the package install to a Docker container install. And because it's Linux to Linux, it's very easy to do, as my previous video showed. So this doesn't need to be any longer. I can stop talking. This is just the extra proof that the container install survived the upgrade without a single issue. Thanks for watching.